Hello, my name is Ed Sherman. I'm a divorce attorney and have been one for over 40 years, and I'd like to talk to you now about how to get a divorce or how to do your own divorce if you want to. Now, getting a divorce in any state is relatively easy when there's no opposition from the other side. It's called an uncontested divorce. And this happens in one of two situations. After you file your petition in court, there's no opposition. The other side just doesn't show up. And this happens in one of two situations. Either your spouse is long gone, doesn't care, or there's not enough involved to worry about and show up to fight about. Or you're both around and involved and care what happens, and you're able to sit down and negotiate or mediate a written marital settlement agreement. In either of these cases where there's no opposition in court, you have an uncontested divorce, and all there is some paperwork and red tape that doesn't have to cost a lot, and it doesn't have to take a really long time. Now, I'll tell you a little bit about what you can do later if you are having trouble reaching an agreement. But now I would like to tell you that if you're in California, you should get my book, How to Do Your Own Divorce in California. If you're in Texas, you should get my book, How to Do Your Own Divorce in Texas. For those of you in the other 48 states, I would like to apologize very sincerely for not having done a book for your state, but what I did do is I wrote a free 6-page article that you can get by going to my site, go to the reading room, and get the article, How to Do Your Own Divorce. On these pages, I tell you all the things you can do, how you find information, how you get information, how you find people to help you, and everything you need to do to put you on the path to getting to one of these uncontested divorces. And I also want you to read the article, How to Learn About the Law in Your State. And this will help you find out where the laws are in your state, about the laws about property, debts, children, and spousal support. Those are the things you need to know about. So with those tools in hand, you'll be well on your way to a path to one of these easier divorces, faster and smoother. If you're having trouble reaching an agreement, if both spouses are on the scene and involved and they do care about what's happening, but you can't reach an agreement, then you need a book called How to Make Any Divorce Better. This is the book, and it contains specific steps that you can take that are far better than anything an attorney can do for you in order to help solve your problems out of court. There are specific things you can do. It tells you how to talk to your spouse in a way that will help solve problems, it will help reduce the conflict, and it will help you lay the foundation for a successful negotiated or mediated settlement.